Good afternoon. I'm Don Marshall. I'm the product manager for the Bentley Nevada ADAPT platform. Today we're in Houston, Texas at the 42nd Turbo Symposium. That's a great venue. All the major manufacturers are here, and today we have the pleasure to introduce the world to the new ADAPT platform for machinery protection and condition monitoring. So today we're introducing the ADAPT 370144 for the protection and condition monitoring of aeroderivatives. As part of a platform technology, this platform today is being introduced for aeroderivatives. In the near future, we're also going to be introducing a version for heavy-duty gas turbines. And then as we continue to expand in the marketplace, as other applications are identified, ADAPT will be optimized for those applications. So today what we have is a standard Bentley Nevada rotor kit with our standard XY proximity probes. Those probes are feeding vibration measurements up into the ADAPT unit. And the ADAPT unit is been optimized in this case for both in the aeroderivative world, it's optimized for the LM2500 and LM6000. Now when I say optimized, what I'm referring to is the actual configuration, instead of as in a 3500 where you have to configure channel by channel, the value of ADAPT is that we're able to configure the ADAPT unit working with the OEM specific to the needs of that individual asset. So in the case of this LM6000, we have worked with GE Aero. We understand the anatomy of this machine, we understand the kinematics, and channel by channel we have set up and optimized the ADAPT unit for the protection and condition monitoring of not only the LM6000 as the driven unit, but also any gearbox that may be associated with it, as well as the driven generator in this case. So the ADAPT unit, standard configuration is the processor controller. We've got 2 input cards. Each of these input cards can take multiple sensor types. Those can be our standard proximity probes, could be velometers, it could be accelerometers, and then each of these input cards can take 1 key phaser each. So you have 6 channels of dynamic vibration coming in, plus 1 key phaser. So a total of 12 channels of dynamic vibration, plus 2 key phasers. Infinitely configurable. We also have up to 8 channels that we can support in the relay card itself. So the real power of the distributed architecture platform is unlike a traditional 3500 rack where you have many sensors all coming to one rack-based system into one control room. As we look over the horizon, plants of the future are going to a distributed architecture in how they're fundamentally wired. And this is coming from the automation companies, from the Honeywells of the world, from the Siemens of the world, from the Emersons, where no longer do they want large control rooms with hundreds and even thousands of sensors coming to one location. What they want now is to be able to take the condition monitoring piece and push that out to the machine. The beauty about the ADAPT Aero in a cogen facility, for instance, is we can put the ADAPT unit on the gas turbine, we can put the ADAPT unit on the generator. When the 2 components arrive on site, they're mated together. We're just hooking up an Ethernet connection between the 2 ADAPT units and then back to the DCS. So ADAPT offers much lower cost for installation, much simpler on wiring, with the pre-configuration template, less chance for error in the setup and configuring of the product. All in all, it ensures a lower total installation costs, better quality installation all the way around, and offers advanced diagnostic capability that we traditionally customers do not see with rack-based solutions. So high level, that is the new ADAPT Aero platform. Stay tuned for more. We'll be releasing gas turbine in the next couple of months. For information, please continue to monitor the BN website. Thank you so much for your time, and have a great day.